Hello and welcome to ET Now Machinist TV. Today we have with us
Hello, Sagar Dubal this side from Autobits. We are into machine monitoring and asset utilization solutions that helps increase the efficiency of the machines by reducing the cost of operations.
right. So Sagar, could you let us know our audience about the key offerings and solutions you have displayed here at your stall at IMTEX?
So today at IMTEX, we've showcased our solution of CNC machine tracking, energy monitoring, power press monitoring, and furnace utilization and energy cost saving.
Sagar, please let us know what are the key target markets and sectors you are eyeing for expansion.
So presently we are working pan India, and now we've started operations in Singapore, which is our HQ now. We've working in Europe, US, and Canada region right now, and our main focus is into helping manufacturers increase their productivity and increase their efficiency by reducing the cost.
Right. Uh, Quickly let us know about what are the key advancements, key advanced technologies like IoT, AI, and automation is helping you to increase your productivity, and also with the help of your machines, how it is also helping the manufacturers to increase their precision and productivity.
So recently we've launched our AI models that work in tandem with IoT solution, which will help detect the anomaly which is in productivity, in energy usage or temperature spikes. It can also work on condition monitoring with the help of AI. And this also helps saving of lot of energy which is wasted usually.
A key aspect of your operations would be R&D, I'm sure. So how are you leveraging R&D, or what are the key advancements you have done that is giving you a different edge as compared to your competitors?
We as an Indian company have given our 3 years of time in R&D in our initial phase, and still we work on R&D at the most. Every month, every quarter, we have something innovative going on, be it a new hardware, be it a new AI model, be it new solution. So we are continuously working on generating KPIs that can ease manufacturers and reduce their cost.
Sagar, quickly let us know on your future plans. What are your future plans?
We are going to get aggressive into marketing activities, into scaling up our operations in the future times. We are focusing a lot more on Asia Pac and Northern America region.
Thank you.